Hey everybody, so I'm about to go outside. It is super windy here today. It's one of the things about this area is when the wind kicks up, it kicks up. So I think it's about 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50. It is a Sunday. We are out here working because we have an inspection on Monday, and we could put it off, but that's not like us. We gotta go for it, so we're pushing ahead. Dan and I are out here. Super windy. I have some safety goggles. I have this, but we're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna take a little video outside, but I'm definitely not going to do any talking because you won't be able to hear me because I don't have any fancy equipment that cuts through that muffled noise yet. I'm hoping at some point I can get something to help with this video editing. So I'm going to head outside in a minute and take some videos of where we're at. So basically our underground inspection is Monday morning. So we have, we're working on all the sewer pipes. Most of the water will be coming through the walls, the inner walls, not the outer walls, so we don't have to worry about freezing during the winter. So I'll take some videos of it and I'll try to put this all together and ship it out. So we finished laying all the pipe and hand. So we pretty much had to hand trench all the way to that other wall. So I ran a hose line to the well. So everything's sealed off but one end over on the far end. And in a minute we'll be putting water in there.